Christmas has finally arrived, and it's our most anticipated holiday, so let's prepare well. Of course, we need to decorate our home beautifully. The shops here started selling Christmas decorations over a month ago, and you can feel the Christmas atmosphere every time you walk on the streets. There are so many choices. How do we decide? Our Christmas tree is taller than me. I have to tiptoe to hang decorations at the highest point. I also decorate the flower pots. Every detail needs to be done well. On Christmas Day, we'll have friends coming over to celebrate, so we've prepared and decorated the dining table in advance. It looks really amazing. Every year, I prepare some Christmas cookies for my dearest friends. As a small gesture of goodwill. They love the crispy cookies very much. And most importantly, they're preservative-free, so they can eat them without worries. Actually, making cookies isn't that difficult. The main ingredients are butter, sugar, eggs, milk, and flour, plus different natural flavorings to create various tastes and colors. This time, the most challenging part for me was the piping. As I didn't apply enough pressure, resulting in slightly deformed shapes. My two little angels took charge of decorating the cookies this time, and they did a great job. They are so happy to have this little mission to be done. With some additional decorations, they look very appealing. And once packaged, they're ready to be sealed. This is jasmine-flavored milk tea with a light and refreshing taste. Paired with the crunchy cookies, it's both satisfying and thirst-quenching. The gingerbread man is so cute with the beanie and scarf. With this lovely wrapping, it's ready for my friends. Hope they will love it. It doesn't snow in Hong Kong during winter, so I brought my two little angels here to experience the snowy atmosphere. Although it's just an artificial one, they still had a great time with this. The Christmas atmosphere in Hong Kong is truly festive. And for us, it's a very important holiday. Finally, I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a happy holiday.